Hey guys, Jeff here with Dustless, coming at you with another Dustless Answers video. Today we're going to talk about a question that we're getting a lot. We've got it in a lot in the past and we're still getting the question, so we thought we'd address it. On the vacuums, our old vacuums, about 4 or 5 years ago, they used to have little clips on both the bottom and the top section. We have now changed that out. About 4 or 5 years ago we changed the bottom section out to a clamp. And we're going to tell you the differences and how you can fix your old vacuum and make it a new vacuum in this one today. So stay tuned. So like I was saying, about 4 or 5 years ago, the old vacuums used to have these clips on both the bottom and the top. Now these clips, well, they did work. The problem was they were popping off, people were losing them, they'd have to reorder ones, they'd get tired of it. So we changed this out about 4 or 5 years ago from the clips to the clamps. These new clamps are a really nice clamp. They are a hinged clamp. They work really well. They're a lot more secure. So that part number, it comes in a little package, and that part number is N0055. So if you have an older vacuum that has these old clips on the bottom, you can change those out now to a much better system, much more secure system in the new clamps. So we still have the original clips on the top, and you can still order those on our website. The new bottom, the new clamps in this package, it comes in this little package. You can order it right on our website as well. Again, N0055. You can order it in right on our website. Basically, it comes with instructions. It comes with 2 of the new clamps, and it comes with 2 of these roll pins, and that's really all you will need to be able to install the new clamps. Now, tool-wise, all you're going to need for tools for this new installation is your basic drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. That's all it's going to take. Basically, in the package, it comes with some stickers that you will mount right here on this little rubber tab where the old clamps were, and then you'll drill through the hole that is on that sticker, and that's how you will insert those or install those new clamps. And we'll show you how to do that right now. So now all you do is you take the little sticker tab that goes that comes in the package. You put it on the plastic tab where the old clips were, with the tab part up. You put that on there and you fix it on there good. Then you take your drill bit and you just drill right through the center of that little hole that is on the sticker. Until you get all the way through the plastic tab. Once you've got that hole through there, that's basically the hardest part of the installation process. So now that you've got the hole drilled in the tab, you're ready to install the new clamp. Basically, you will take the roll pin. You'll start it into the yellow tabs on the clamp, and then you will line up the tab in the hole in the tab with the holes in the clamp and push it on. That last little bit of push may take a little bit more, but it'll go on definitely. Once you've got that on, you're done. There is a little lip here in the intermediate that this clamp hooks onto. It's just a cam clamp. You hook it down, and you have installed the new clamp system. So again, guys, that's the difference between the clips on the upper section and the new clamps on the lower section. Much more secure method to hold your lid onto your barrel. If you have any questions about this process or any of our other products or anything like that, feel free to put a comment in the comments below. We try to answer all the questions that you guys might have. If you have a video that you'd like to see done, let us know what that is and we can do a video on that as well. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. It really helps us out to have those subscribers there. Click that little notification bell so you get notifications of new videos that come out each and every time they come out. Other than that, guys, remember, make it dustless.